let's talk about affordable housing. So we have an incredible demand for affordable housing right now in this country. Over 25 million homes are needed. So these are a lot of the properties that we built over the past few years. We're building another 40 of them right now. So these are affordable homes, which means you could come in and put about $45,000 down, and the price point is going to be anywhere from $100,000 to $120,000. With about $1,000 in cash flow rent from one of these single families or duplexes on either side. We're probably going to be able to raise the rent here in the next few months to about $1,100 a month because the demand. We have a waiting list right now for tenants for these properties, and many of the properties here that we built about 3 years ago, the tenants they're still in these properties because when a tenant moves in to a brand new house in a good neighborhood with a lot of space, 3 bedrooms, brand new everything, they tend to stay. So again, the tenants in these properties have almost all the original tenants that we built 3 years ago. And so this entire subdivision built from the ground up. And again, we have over 40 of them that we're building right now. So this whole project here is side-by-side duplexes built from the ground up just a few short years ago, and these mostly really appealing to student housing sector because 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, so each bedroom has its own bathroom. Great for the student housing here for Texas Tech University and the other universities here. So let's go inside and show you what these affordable homes look like. So this property, it's 3 bedrooms but 3 baths, so this is perfect for student housing. Really appealing for the student housing. You got, you're not going to have like the granite countertops in here, but you got the really durable tile floor, and students love this floor plan. Really easy to work with by having an individual bathroom in each of the bedrooms is hugely beneficial to student housing, let me tell you. So here we are in one of the bedrooms, and here's one of the bathrooms. I wish when I was a student I had my own bathroom at the University of Pittsburgh and a walk-in closet. So this one is ready for the new tenants. All new carpeting just put down. Took off our shoes because we were walking through some mud today. So I do not want to have to deal with steam cleaning the carpets again. All right, today we're going to talk about the power of a self-directed IRA, and one of the fantastic members of our team who, if you've probably talked to her on the phone, you know what an expert she is in the self-directed realm. It's Haley. Good to see you. So we are in one of our new construction duplexes right now. This is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath. Put in some quartz countertops. The team did such an amazing job on this. But let's talk about the power of a self-directed account. People watching right now maybe just stumbled across this video for the first time. They don't know what a self-directed IRA is. We're in a brand new construction duplex that is just about to be finished. New appliances going in, brand new cabinets, everything is brand new here. A tenant is about to move in. Talk to me about what a self-directed IRA allows you to invest in. It's totally separate than what we've been told about, investing over the years, the stock market 401k.
Yeah, you're absolutely right. So a self-directed IRA, in a technical sense, it's not much different than any other retirement account from a taxation standpoint. But what it really does is it does allow you to invest into alternative asset classes. So it's just really taking the handcuffs off of your investment options. You can invest in things like oil and gas, gold and silver, or properties just like this inside of that self-directed IRA.
Now let's talk more about the power of a new construction property inside of that self-directed IRA. Why is this even more attractive than maybe just a renovated project?
So with the newer construction homes inside of a self-directed IRA, it's going to do a couple things for you. It is going to help to keep you in compliance with some of those IRS rules and regulations in reference to prohibited transactions. It's also going to be completely finished, so you're not talking about a property you need to go in and you need to have hands-on or do renovations, which is prohibited inside of that self-directed IRA. So that's one of the huge benefits to newer construction.
Another great benefit is working with our team and our fantastic team like Haley and our entire property management team and everything else that we have on as a full service company. because you're investing in this property inside of your retirement vehicle. You're not managing it. What if light bulbs need to be fixed, mechanicals need to be updated? That's the benefit of having a full service team, right?
You're absolutely correct. And when you're talking about this type of quality, this type of property, it's going to mitigate that risk as well for you, because there's not a whole lot of fixes and things like that that's going to happen on a newer construction home. So it's great for longevity inside of that retirement account as well.
Absolutely. And today we even went to one of our properties that was built 5 years ago. It was a 5-year-old duplex. We're doing a tenant turnover on that property right now, and it looks brand new. I mean, it looks like it was just built. So the durability, the longevity of a new construction, it's something you're not going to get with a 60-year-old house that you're doing a renovation on.
Absolutely. And I mean, you can talk about the quality of the tenants that you're going to be able to attract with a property of this quality.
Right. Quality tenants are going to stay a lot longer. And they're going to want to, if you get certainly the larger properties that we're doing too, 3-bedroom, 3-bath,
right.
They nest. They want to stay longer because they have more space, right? And they're in a good school district. They're not going to want to, it's not as transient as some of the larger multifamily properties also.
That's absolutely correct.
So there you go, some insight from Haley on our team. I'm sure if you've booked a call with our team, you've spoken to Haley, who's an expert on self-direction and setting up those self-directed accounts. By the way, if someone does book a call with us, there's a link below. How quickly are you able to help them set up their self-directed account? Pretty quick, right?
Absolutely. Yeah, the self-directed process over the years, companies have definitely made it a lot easier, more accessible. With our team, what's great is I'm right there on the front lines to help. So any questions that you have, happy to jump on a phone call. We can set up an account in probably 8 to 10 minutes over the phone.
Right. That's right. I say 10 minutes. People are like, really? Is that possible? Yes, it is that possible. So there you go. There's the power of self-directing IRAs with new construction properties. Thanks, Haley. Appreciate it.
Yeah. Thanks for having me.
And we'll see you next time, everyone.